Well, hello everybody. Thanks for coming back again to Keys Card Breaks. Today we're going to open up some Contenders. It's just a little blaster box. You get 2 autos per box on average. Hopefully we don't get the dreaded Panini points. I've opened a lot of this stuff. I really like it. I love the college uniforms because I'm more into the college football. So hopefully we'll hit something big. The biggest thing I've hit so far with this is a Damon Webb auto, just a regular college ticket. Haven't got no cracked ice or anything like that. I think you mostly find that in your hobby packs, but hey, who knows? Maybe we'll get lucky and hit something huge. Let's bust this baby open and see what we get. If I can open the box. There we go, now we're getting somewhere. Alrighty, there's our packs. Let's get cracking and see what we get. The box fell over. Alright. So we got a Clay Matthews, Ozzie Newsome. We got a rookie ticket. Bo Scarborough. I probably butchered his name, but that'll be okay. John Hanna, Bo Jackson, Bo Knows, and Matt Ryan. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. We've got a Dick Buckus, Khalil Mack. Looks like one of our hits, maybe. No, it is a draft ticket Colt McCoy. I have not gotten one of these before out of here. It's not serial numbered, at least I don't see one. It's still pretty cool. Oh, here's our auto. We got Andrew Brown from Virginia autograph. He's a defensive end. Don't know much about that guy. Tim Tebow, and then Herschel Walker. Alright, we have a Charles White, Mitchell Trubisky. Old school colors insert, Barry Sanders. And then another Barry Sanders base card right after that. Alright. Marcus Allen and Dak Prescott. We've got a Derek Carr, Sean Alexander, Jameis Winston. Alright. A Saquon Barkley game day ticket. Sweet. Randy Moss and Earl Campbell. So we still should have one more hit. And we still got 3 packs left. Adrian Peterson, Leonard Fournette, DJ Chark, school colors, Tony Dorsett, John Elway, and Billy Sims. We've got Clay Helton, Odell Beckham Jr., Von Miller. Looks like our last hit, and it is Jerrion Grant from Rutgers. Looks like he's a wide receiver. I'm not sure if he got drafted or not. Still pretty cool. Dez Bryant, Terry Bradshaw. And then our last pack, which we should be out of hits. And I've not seen anybody get a third out of these. But hey, who knows? Maybe we'll get lucky. Kareem Hunt. Carson Wentz. Collegiate Connections. Christian Kirk. Mike Evans. Jerry Rice, all right. I loved watching him play. Antonio Brown, and the Major Applewhite. So yeah, it's pretty fun. I mean, 20 bucks, you can't beat it. Get a couple autographs. It's a load of fun. Well, hey, thanks. Hope to see you back some other time. Have a great day.